Hi guys, we're back with a little different build.
Hold on, wait, I didn't do my thing.
Yeah, oh, do your thing.
Ooga booga!
Okay.
Camera in.
Alright, enough. This is the Carisma SCA-1E, which almost looks like the word scale. So we're going to in today's video, we're going to tear it down because we're going to do a complete renovation on it, or restoration.
And we're going to turn it into a car that's suitable for rock crawling.
Okay. So I already took the wheels off. So let's tear it apart. Let's see what we got. So we'll start off with taking the shocks off. Am I in the picture?
Yep.
You see it, no problem?
Yep. I'll just show
you. No zooming. Can you give me one of those bowls right there? The one, no, bowl. You know what a bowl is?
It's something you put cereal in.
Right. There's a magnet in it still? Yep. Okay.
With nothing but the magnet in it, that's what we need.
I put the magnet so
when you put stuff in there,
it'll
you
stick
can
to
easily
it.
Take it out.
Right.
But be careful, magnets don't stick to everything, as it has to be the same material. Plus,
it's got to be iron.
Negative.
Magnets stick to iron or ferrous material, not stainless, not aluminum, not brass. Okay.
Although it would be pretty cool if you could put it on all those that you listed.
Well, yeah, well, that's can't change physics.
I can modify magnets.
No, you can't. This is basically a miniature version of the carbon assault. Just smaller.
Before the carbon assault was made.
Yeah, this truck's a couple years old. All right.
Dated.
All right, so 2 shocks down, 2 to go.
Soon it will be 3 shocks down, 1 to go.
So I see it taking the shocks off also removes the bolt for the lower link. All right.
I see where you're going. You remove the shock so that you can get the lower links off.
Oh yeah. We're gonna tear this truck down completely.
Like,
and we're gonna
to the ground up.
Right. We're gonna make other videos of rebuilding the shocks, rebuilding the
everything.
The axles. So no hurry.
Stay tuned.
We got all winter to build this, to rebuild it. All right. So what we got?
If you guys didn't.
Oh, okay. This is the upper link.
If you guys didn't see that, I just spied out when he had it sideways. It looked like it had 4 legs on the bottom.
Yeah.
If anyone didn't see that, I was just bringing it up.
You're bringing it up, huh, pal?
Yep.
Okay, what do I need here? I think 1.5.
The windshields on the body actually got some wipers that can move.
Alright, you pull that pin. Comes off. It looks like, I can't tell, but I think these came with bushings. So we'll rebuild it and it'll have bearings.
Instead?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's already got metal drive shafts.
Which is good, because metal's stronger than materials that are below
The
it.
plastic.
Mm-hmm.
You see where I'm at?
Mm-hmm.
That was tight. And when we put this back together, we'll be Loctiting everything.
That way nothing comes loose when we test it.
Right. Hopefully, kind of bulletproofing it.
Yeah. That's something.
This truck is fairly simple, though. I mean, as long as you have a general idea about a single axle truck, then this truck is not very hard to work on.
Yeah, he knows a
It's
lot
something
about this stuff.
like the SMT10s or the LMT or the any of the axial lines, even the carbon assault. You know, you have the single axle with the servo in the front center. You know, it doesn't have that scale look to it, but you know, it does function like a monster truck. And I'm taking this off because I think the servo wire goes through into the box, even though I don't have a receiver in there. There she is. So we'll pull that out. Yahoo!
It's literally made of plastic. Literally.
That holds that thing in place. Double-sided tape. Well, that's just special.
Yeah. Because when it goes bad, it acts as a cushion for things that rip easily.
Well, we're probably going to reposition this battery tray towards the front. From everything I've read, more weight to the front, or more biased to the front. See, this one's biased all the way to the back end. So if we move it up to the front, we have a little more traction on the front wheels. Yeah, we'll try to make it work right.
Yep.
You know,
You never know unless you try.
That's right. Like we said with the monster truck, that was our first foray into monster trucks, and it seemed to work out really good. You know, it runs. You know, even though when I drive it, it wants to flip over. But I'm sure that's just a product of my driving.
I'm just letting you know that at the end I'm definitely going ooga booga.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because it's funny.
Oh yeah. Come on. And I don't like using the power drill to tighten and loosen things, because you're just asking for trouble. It will strip. It will strip out.
Yep.
Okay. So now we have the front axle. Very rusty. I'm gonna have to work on that. Might have to order some parts. We'll see when we get it torn apart.
Yeah, we'll have to see if they're still any good or not.
Well, it'll be rusty. I mean, I might be able to bring it back. Here's the speed control. What do we got left? We got...
Gee, those are some really rusty links.
Alright, so I see... Okay, so those are the upper links. These are the lower links. Okay. How does that come off? Do I need to hold it? Well, here, let's take the lower links off. Can you see me now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Don't do that, please. You might shake the camera. I'll be happy in this video if we can get it down to the frame rails and the transmission.
All in one video?
All in one, get it apart all in one video, and then we'll build it piece by piece in subsequent videos.
I'm just letting you know that it may feel only like the video's been on for like 5 minutes, but it's actually been 11 minutes.
Ah, okay. Well, I want to make it my point to be no more than 20. And if we go more than 20, we're gonna make it a different video.
Time just flies by in this garage with no source of sunlight.
No source of sunlight.
All we have are these beautiful lights you'd normally find in a warehouse.
In a warehouse?
Yep. And they're really bright. That's why we only have a couple of them.
Oh, those are LED lights, yeah. Okay. What size is that?
Believe it or not, we actually have some that we don't really have on most of the time, but sometimes we turn them on. They're powered by a second light switch. Man, that's crazy.
Crazy?
Yeah, crazy. And I know it.
Do not know how those come off. That's very interesting. Let me put a lean nose on it. Ah, there it is. Because they were Loctited. There you go. Alright, 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 alright.
How's that new thing working?
What new thing?
The thing you have on your shirt?
Oh, a microphone? Wow, I forgot. We got a new microphone because I noticed that whenever I was making a video and I moved my head away from the phone, you really couldn't hear me. So now
Now that he has the microphone and he has a thing put in the plug port, whenever he walks away from the phone, the microphone will transmit it to the thing put in the plug port and it will direct it into the camera.
it's just a cheap wireless microphone.
Yep.
Still got me on camera, right?
Yep. I got everything. Just
Let's see how good the camera is if it heard my burp.
Little bit.
Can you get that nut for me over there? Thank you. In the bowl, in the bowl.
In the bowl you go, nut.
Don't scream. All right. Number 3. Number 3. Pull this. I think they call these slide plates, or maybe skid plates. I don't call that a skid plate. It's not in the right spot. Okay. Last upper link. And like I said, it's practically a miniature
version of the carbon assault.
Of the carbon assault, yep.
And to do the same thing.
Alright, so now all I got left is, oh, look at that, there's only 2 bolts hold that transmission in.
It holds pretty good for just 2 bolts.
We're not talking, it's not high speed. It's not like the Mud Boss or
the carbon assault.
Oh, carbon assault took 4.
But there's 4 bolt slots.
Yeah, the other 2 don't line up with anything. They're just air.
Yeah. I bet some company just made this on a tight budget, so they decide, why not put these here and those there?
Maybe. Okay. Oh, did that go? Oh, where the hell that came from? I have to look at the
Manual.
manual and see what that piece is. I don't recognize it.
Where?
The piece you just picked up for me.
Yeah. I saw it fall.
Yeah.
It came out of the car. I saw
Okay.
it fall like by the battery holder. So maybe it was like a piece from that.
Okay, so there's transmission. Oh, that might have been, yeah, that might have been part of the battery, or I mean the servo. Alright, and then the last thing I want to do is I'll take the battery box off. It's amazing. Everything fit in that little bowl except the shafts. Wham bam. There she is.
That's
Down to
frame.
the bare frame. So for the next video we'll have this all cleaned up.
Yep. We'll like soak in like
Yeah,
cleaning solution and stuff like
I don't know if this is rust or
peroxide.
we'll clean it up. Maybe paint it. Maybe not. Let's see what we need to do.
I'm just letting you know that if any of the parts are yellowed, sort of, just put them in a UV light. They'll
No.
whiten them up.
No, it doesn't do that. All right. We're out.
Oh.
Out.